How do birds fly? How does Iron Man do it? Why do big planes not fall down? Where did it all begin? These are just some of the questions to be answered during a festival to celebrate Portlaois's unique part in the story of flight. Hear the answers, listen to stories of great adventure, then watch the music or poetry woven around that history, or talk to pilots. How about flying the skies of your imagination in paint, just as the planes fly overhead? Then you walk around the oldest aircraft in Ireland. You can do all of this in Portlaois's Festival of Flight, 7th to the 10th of April.